Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to unbox the latest Xiaomi Redmi 3. So the Redmi 3 is a successor of the hugely popular the Redmi 2 Prime, and this device comes with a lot of upgrades over the previous device. So this was announced a couple of weeks back in China, and this is yet to be announced in India. So this is the Redmi 3, and this comes with a completely metallic body, and it has the Snapdragon 616 octa-core processor with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. It also has a 4000 milliampere battery. That's a massive capacity when you compare with the Redmi 2 which has just 2300 milliampere. So that's a major upgrade when you compare with the previous generation. This also has a 5-inch HD display, and it comes with Android 5.0 Lollipop with MIUI, and this was the specs of this device. Now let's get started with unboxing. So it comes in 3 colors: gold, white, or rather silver, and the gray variant. And we'll get started with unboxing. So let's open the box and see the device. So there you go, we have the silver variant with us. So it has this white front panel and silver finishing. You can see a pattern on the rear panel which actually looks quite good. Now let's keep this device for a minute and then see what else comes inside the box. So we have the regular manual included. So you can just have a look at the manuals, and also this also comes with the SIM ejector pin, and a couple of manuals are included. Then we have the standard USB cable included. So Xiaomi does not ship any of the earphones with the devices, so that's again with the Redmi 3 as well. Now this has a 2 ampere charger, 5 volt 2 ampere charger. So this should this officially we are not sure whether it supports quick charging, but this should be able to charge up in a pretty quick time. So this is a 2 ampere charger. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So let's peel off this front cover and also the rear cover. So that's the device. You can see there is a 13 megapixel rear camera, LED flash, and a 5 megapixel front camera for selfies. So the power and the volume keys are on the right side. We have the SIM tray. This is a hybrid SIM card slot. It has a dual SIM card and micro SD card expansion slot. You can see the speaker located at the bottom, the micro USB charging slot, and the earphone, the microphone. And on the top we also have the 3.5mm audio jack. Then we have the IR blaster and also the secondary microphone. So that's the device. So all in all, it looks quite good with the metallic build. It looks really premium for this pricing. And here we have the 3 capacitive touch buttons. Now let's boot this device and have a look at the MIUI and also the camera and the storage available. So there you go, that's the Redmi 3. We are now booted it and it looks quite good. You can see the display, the touch response seems pretty smooth. It's an HD panel, that's 1280 by 720p panel, and you can see the MIUI. We'll just have a look at the version. So just go to the about phone. It's Android 5.1.1. It's not a 5.0, it's 5.1.1 with MIUI 7. So you can see here 1.5 GHz octa-core chipset with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. 10.94 GB is available to the user in the first boot, and this is the Redmi 3. So looks quite good. Overall 10 to 11 GB is available in the first boot, and this device looks quite good with the display as well. So you can see here the display looks quite vibrant as well. Now let's have a quick look at the camera as well. So that's a 13 megapixel shooter which is being included in this device. So Xiaomi is known for really good camera. So let's have a look at the camera. Okay, so this is the camera interface. So let's have a look at the photo. So looks quite good. The clarity looks good with the 13 megapixel shooter. Let's have a look at the interface as well. So it's a typical Xiaomi's MIUI interface. If we just swipe in, we have a few options like panorama, timer, manual mode is included, gradients, scene mode, and a few other options. So let's have a look at the camera settings as well. So let's just go to the video recording and see the quality of the video. So it's just time lapse in the video. Video quality supported is full HD, so that's pretty good. So that was a quick unboxing. So overall this device looks quite good. It's a premium device in the budget category with metallic build. We have this chrome finishing all around the display. and you can see this curved rear panel with a metallic finish, and also there is a pattern which adds a good feel to the device overall. So that is a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi Redmi 3. Hope you liked this video. We'll have more videos on this device, including the gaming performance, the camera, and whole lot of videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.